Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to VidGenie AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at VidGenie.ai, and once you get here, this is the screen that you should be met with. If you've never signed up before, then you should be seeing the option to start for free, or you can log in if you already have signed up. We're going to go ahead and select Get Started for Free. And then from here, we will be requested to create an account. You're going to need your name, your email, and a password, or if you look here at the bottom, you'll see the option to sign in with Google. We're going to go ahead and sign in with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button here, we are now all signed in. So this is what you should be met with once you're all signed up and signed in, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.